Mail call, mail call. All right, we got 3 items, 2 envelopes and 1 sticker sitting right here. All right, before we start, I want to give my condolences to Big Lou and his family over there in Louisiana. His wife suddenly passed away a little over a week ago. And the one thing about it, this awesome video, you can't see it maybe. I'm going to leave a link to him at the end of this, to a video that he just put out today. This is Monday. Talking about how he's dealing with it and his strength, his faith with God getting him through that. And also he was through the storm that came through. Alright, so that'll be on the end. Now let's see the mail we got. The first one. D.A. Barry Outdoors. He just drove over here and handed me his little sticker. Yeah, we can do that around here, can't we? Alright. D.A. Barry Outdoors. He's got projects going on. Welding, cooking, garden. Oh, he's building an awesome... He's building an awesome smoking trailer. Let's make sure I'm on. And he hadn't put a video out about that in a while, but they did raise some, raised beds for a garden that he put in, and I said he's got projects going on. Check out him. Now, everybody will be, their links will be down below, so it'll be D.A. Barry Outdoors, it'll be Big Lou, and let's move on. This one here is my buddy Buzzall. Alright. He's in Connecticut. He's always got projects going on. He just did some tractor work. Saw that. Oh, it's really cool. And he's got this workshop, and he's in there, and he's always messing with stuff in there. Got stuff going on, like I say. But he's got you just go back just a few videos. You just go back a few videos, and it's from back when him and his wife rode motorcycles, just old video footage of it and stuff. It was really cool. I can't tell you if it was 70s or 80s. I think he said something in there. I just don't remember when it was. But anyway, that was really cool to see. And check out his sticker. Yeah. He works with the NRA, or he likes guns, but he's been a security guard for a lot of people, some famous people. He's taught classes, he's worked with the military, done a lot of things like that. Now he's just retired and doing little piddling things around the house. Yeah, and I got quite a few of them stickers. Let me open the last one, I'll be right back. Alright, this last one is from Kimberly Cochran. I've been on with her for a long time. Been on with Buzz for a long time, too. Her and her husband, Riley, live out there in Clovis, California. She's a retired teacher and principal. She travels, she creates, she cooks. She's always got stuff going on. She's a crafter. So this is probably going to be crafting stuff. Let's read the letter first. July 2020. Ooh. Oops. Dear Papa, just a note to let you know you have been in my prayer while you've been sick. May God continue to heal you. Also, happy birthday. One more year of hugs, happiness, and family fun. Thank you for the joy you bring in your YouTube channel. Pre-enclosed, 2 cards you can use for family or friends. Be blessed, friend Kimberly Cochran. And see, she makes stuff like this. That's one thing about it. You can find stuff over there. She creates things. She trades with people. And if you notice, check out what she did. It's a Weber kettle cooking with some spatulas. Think happy. Papa, Texas, right there. Look at that. That's awesome. See, that's why, if you're into crafting, you get you on over there. And I got these. pass them out. I think the girls might like them. All right, we got 2 cards here. Oh, she made me some birthday cards. Look at this one. This one's got cupcakes and soda pops, cola. That's really cool. And the note for me to make. Let's check the second one out. Check this one out. She's really cool. Man, Kimberly, thank you. These are awesome. Barbecue sauce and some pie. Wedge pie. Maybe strawberry pie with some blueberries in front of it. That is awesome. Love it. Love it. Alright. So that's what we have today. I'm not going with the TV thing. Like I said, I'm going to leave all their links down below. Go check out their channels. These are awesome people that I'm connected to, seriously. And their links will be down below. And Big Lou will be down below. And the video of how he's getting through losing his wife a little over a week ago is at the end of this video. And actually, I added it to my Facebook. I posted it out there. It's the only video I've seen all day. Good man. Might help somebody out. I think it's going to help a lot of people out that watch that video. Alright, prayers and thoughts to Big Lou and his family in their grieving time. I don't mean to mix that in with this, but it's my show. Alright, well, I have mixed emotions, but anyway. Y'all have a fantastic rest of the week. Stay blessed. Be sure, if you're in America, go vote when it comes up. It's going to be a big election. I shouldn't have thrown that now in there, should I? I need to quit jabbering, Papa. Alright. Hopefully, we're going to see you Sunday. If not, it'll be next Wednesday. Because I don't know if I got time to make a cooking video or not. Yeah, it's Papa. Papa, Texas. See ya. Hit that dinner bell, and you'll know when it's dinner time. Yeah.